Imagine earning a cut of an online sale every single time a transaction happens without ever having to touch, store, or ship the actual product. This flowchart maps out affiliate marketing. You're an independent digital salesperson. When someone buys through your unique tracking link, you earn a commission. Unlike traditional storefronts, you carry zero overhead. You skip product creation, bypass shipping logistics, and never deal with customer support. This lean, low-barrier model is exactly why thousands of major retailers and software companies rely on independent creators to drive their sales. If you spend any time online, you've seen the pitch. Influencers aggressively market this as a shortcut to a laptop lifestyle, promising passive income while you sleep on a beach. The data shows a different story. The vast majority of beginners who try this never earn a single dollar. They often give up within the first few months, convinced the entire industry is a scam. Affiliate marketing is actually a real business, but it operates on a severe delay. It requires a significant upfront investment of time and effort long before the first payout arrives. Let's look at the timeline of a typical beginner. They launch their first piece of content, expecting the sales to start rolling in immediately. Then, month 1 passes. The articles they spent days writing don't rank in search. Month 2 arrives, and their videos are still sitting at 0 views. This is the period of invisible labor. The creator is putting in full-time hours, yet they receive no financial reward and no metric validation to show for it. This silence is where the math of the business model usually wins. Without a paycheck or a rising view count to justify the effort, most people simply stop uploading. Only those willing to work long enough to build an initial footprint remain. Facing this lack of traction, every new creator reaches a critical fork in the road. Their reaction to these early failures dictates their entire future. Desperate for a win, many shift their focus toward chasing commissions. They start deploying aggressive sales tactics, hoping to force a quick conversion at any cost. Next, they abandon their standards. They start promoting untested, low-quality products simply because those companies offer the highest commission rates. Finally, they set a deadline of just a few weeks. When the sales don't materialize on that artificial timeline, they quit. These mistakes have consequences. Pushing bad products through aggressive sales actively poisons a creator's reputation before they've even built a foundation. Now, compare that to the creators who actually survive this initial phase. They are operating in the exact same difficult environment, but they use a different methodology. This pipeline shows the successful approach. Instead of trying to sell, these creators help. They target the specific questions and problems consumers are already typing into search engines. Executing this requires grueling labor. The creator takes on the burden of researching options, comparing competitors, and presenting honest pros and cons so the consumer doesn't have to. This upfront investment is the only valid trigger for a sale. Once a consumer's problem passes through this gauntlet of genuine value, they are far more likely to purchase through that creator's link. The secret to surviving the attrition timeline is dedicating months of your life to solving user problems for free. A successful affiliate marketer spends their time building an architecture of trust. This reliable reputation becomes their primary business asset, far more valuable than the links themselves. Trust requires the passage of time to compound. It demands consistent reliability over dozens of interactions before a viewer feels comfortable following a recommendation. Anyone can grab the attention of a passing viewer with a flashy thumbnail, but trust is the bridge that converts that fleeting attention into a paying customer. Navigating the early months of 0 views eventually leaves a creator with a loyal audience. That audience forms the foundation of a durable, scalable business. To answer the initial questions, affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and it can be highly profitable, but it is difficult. This difficulty is why outcomes vary so wildly. Some creators will manage a small side income to pay a few bills, while others scale their platforms into full-time enterprises. Final results depend on raw patience, consistency, and a commitment to long-term credibility. These factors determine who scales and who stays at 0. The business model works. The real question is whether you possess the patience required to outlast the competition and actually see it through.